Actividad 3. My free time. My name is Germán Aguayo. I'm 21 years old. I am tall. I am 182 centimeters. I have dark brown hair. My weight is 80 kilos. I have brown eyes, and I consider myself introvert. I have good health. I am very sociable, and I always make good friends. My environment. Well, I live in my uncle, my aunt, and my cousins. We have a dog. His name is Manches. I also have a lot of friends, and all of them make me feel cool. We all enjoy nature and good meetings in anywhere. My routine. I wake up at 6 every day. I have breakfast at 7 about. I get to work at 8 a.m. I always leave work in the afternoon. I work long hours. I do my homework after I get home. But sometimes I don't have much time because I have to do other activities. I must also cook. I don't like junk food. I'm crazy about chicken wings. Finally, I fall asleep at 10 p.m. My tastes. I like so much go out with my friends. I'm taking violin classes on weekends. I like the dogs, but I don't have time to attend them. I like the flowers, I like the colors and the perfume. In my spare time, I like to read classic books. In holidays, I like to go to the beach with my relatives. But this year, I have not traveled.